As we mentioned earlier, 9 out of the 13 deaths reported in the valley from COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, those all coming from long-term care facilities. But we don't know where specifically. It is now up to a judge to decide whether the Arizona Health Department will have to release the names of those facilities with COVID-19 cases and deaths. We sued the state after they refused to disclose, and lawyers for both sides just wrapped up their oral arguments in court. ABC 15 investigator Dave Biskobing breaks down what happened and what happens next.
The arguments didn't change today. We believe you have a right to know, but the state believes that this information is private. What we do know now is that a ruling is expected within days, but this case is likely to drag on longer.
Good afternoon, everyone. We are on the record.
The oral arguments from Maricopa County Superior Court lasted 90 minutes. Attorneys for ABC 15 and these media organizations arguing the case in our lawsuit is simple. The names of facilities with COVID-19 outbreaks and the number of cases is public record, public information you should know. To be clear, we do not want any person's name.
If we knew this information 7 weeks ago, there are lots of things that we, a community, could do, steps we could take to protect ourselves, to protect our loved ones.
Early April is when we first asked for this information. We were ignored by the state and filed suit on May 5th. After our legal action, the state hired outside attorneys to argue the public has no right to that information because they claim communicable disease information is generally confidential. Releasing info to us would reveal patients' names, and the publicity from releasing the information could harm businesses. In court, the state side also accused the media of fear-mongering because we claim that public access to this information could save lives.
It's astonishing, it's sad, it's depressing, and it's sickening. But it is not evidence. There is no proof of it.
In Maricopa County, more than 70% of COVID deaths are long-term care residents. That's fact. Also fact, a 2019 state audit found Arizona failed to properly investigate and inspect long-term care facilities for years. Thousands of complaints were ignored completely.
There is a real conflict.
Judge Christopher Curry asked questions of both sides, but didn't say which way he will rule. He only agreed this is serious.
Like all of us on this call, we are children, friends, neighbors, loved ones of someone that is in this target group that is covered by this, and COVID is a real thing.
But the judge did raise concerns about how Arizona's laws are written, and he says he may decide to have another hearing.
I think some of these just have to require a factual hearing.
I'm investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.
The judge saying he will likely issue a ruling by Friday or early next week at the latest. Then we'll know if we can bring you this important information or if we'll have to continue to fight for the public's right to know.